Hey guys, Mark here. Finally got the rims in and getting a little bit done here and there to it. Like I said, I got my new bumper on, new winch. Got everything hooked up inside. For the winch, the controller, which I've got on here. I got my new rims and tires. Sorry it's not too lit up down here, but they are ballistic rims by RC 4-wheel drive, 2.2s with mudslingers. I love them, man. The foam is real soft. I still like my pit bulls. Still like them. So, but yeah, I got my Axial, my other TRX4 that I got 1.9s on here, mudslingers with I think these are RC 4-wheel drive rims. I think so. I'm not sure, but I think they are. I can't remember. And I also got to install this. This is the Traxxas for the rear tire. It'll hold the spare tire somewhere back here, so I figured that would be cool to have. These are the old tires that came off, never seen dirt. But I love these wheels, ballistic wheels, like I said, on mudslingers 2.2s. Makes the truck look good, real good. Of course, I run much more racing batteries, and also Phantom series batteries. I ran out of Phantom stickers, so yeah, I still got to get a bumper back here. I got to replace this one, but I'm gonna get that the thing mounted sometime tomorrow, and then I'll show a picture of that. But that's my TRX4 Bronco. Love it, man. Love it. Got my KC lights also mounted in here. So they do make a kit so you can run your headlights, but I'll have to see about that later on down the road. But yeah, everything's working out, looking good, gradually getting there. So that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to update that, and we will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good night.